Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually use the math input panel. Yes, the math input panel. Some of you may wonder what is that. This is something that you can actually use to insert equation, fraction, and all that. Right. So in order for me to get it, I'm going to come right here to my search menu. I'm going to click right here on the search. Right. And when I click, you notice it bring up this dark area. So this is the area in which it's going to appear. Right. So I'm going to type math here. And notice as soon as it notice maths input panel, I'm going to click. Notice as I click, it's going to be appearing out here. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually choose an equation right out there. You notice this is right here. I'm going to bring up a Microsoft Word document, just the same. All right, and I'm going to put this right out here. Notice it's a history right here. You have a history. So you can close. You have option right here. You notice you can clear after the error was inserted. Just the same. For help. Right, if you notice, you can come right here. Right here, you can actually from the cursor, you can actually shift it. Anywhere you want to shift it, you can come right here and close it. Now I'm going to write a fraction. Alright, so let me get up here. I'm going to write a fraction. So if you're using a desktop computer, you hold on the left side of the mouse. If you're using a laptop, you hold on the left side of the touchpad. Alright, and then I'm going to draw the one. You notice as soon as I do that right over here, so it's right. Here is a ease. Right, so I can undo or clear. So notice I have the one right here, notice this field right here. So I can insert it as soon as I finish. All right, so I'm writing a fraction. As you see, some of you might say, well, I don't know how to write, but let's take a look at time and do that. All right, so this is here, so I have a fraction so far. Good, you notice? Now if I click here and insert, right here, all right? Let me shift this so that I can see it. Right here, all right. If you notice it appear right here on the Microsoft Word document right here. Let me take this off right here. And if I click right here and I go to justification and I go to the left, it will take me here to the left. Right, but I want to increase that. I can see it like a bigger, so I'm going to block it. So I'm going to increase it just like that. So this itself is how you can actually use the math input panel right here. Not only that, what you can actually do again, you can actually come like this. Alright, so notice I have a 2 right there, but that's not what I wanted to do. Alright, so when you find yourself in something like this, you come right here, click on eraser. You come like this over on the left side, just the same. You come back right here, click on the right. Right? So you want to say 15. Alright, and you're gonna write as well. Plus 5. Right? So if you notice right here, if you go press you kind of slight different. So you want to come back, you want to erase that. Right. Let me erase this one also. Then I'm gonna write again. If I can write the plus much better. Alright, that you can actually show. Like that. Good. Good. Well, let me try and clear it. This one. Right. Go back again and click on the right. So you want to make sure so you put it right. Because if you don't write it properly, therefore, like that. Let me just press and insert. Let's take the time. Right. And if you notice, this is it actually up here. Right here. You can actually go manual and put in the equal if you want. Just like that. Right, so this is where you can actually use math input panel right here. So if you're preparing like maybe a lesson for a school or something, this is the quickest way you can actually use this. But if you don't want to use it, you can actually use the equation side. Just the same. Alright, what I mean to use the equation side, what I simply mean is just simple. You're going to click right here and insert. And when you click on insert, what will happen? Right over here, you see the equation. You're going to click on equation. When you click on equation, this is what will come up. Notice it's what display right here. You want the same fraction. If you notice this is the fraction, you can actually click right here. Right, and to bring up all of these different areas. So now you have to definitely select which one of the fraction you want from right here. So I'm going to select this one. Notice up here right here. So if I put 1 right here and let's click right here and put 2, like that. So in which way you wanted to use, either use the match input panel or that. But these are two we can actually use to enhance like your school work and maybe to calculate and all that. So hope you have learned something from this video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.